Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Well, if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Pooja. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I post videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. So today I'll be talking with you guys about 12 affordable makeup products that are worth buying. I've been using these products since quite a while now, and I thought of sharing with you guys. And if you're under budget and looking for some sasta products, this video is definitely for you guys. So without any further delay, let's begin. So the first comes Simple Face Wash. I love this product. If you are looking for some gentle face wash that is going to wash your face gently without any irritation, this face wash is for you guys. This costs for 325, and the net volume is 150 ml. The consistency is gel like I'm going to show you guys, like if you see this, right? Okay, this is the only quantity you need to wash your whole face. Yes, so it is going to last you really long time. So I don't think so like investing 325 for a face wash is a bad idea. Consistency, it's not that thick, it is gel like. It does the work as it has claimed. Is included in my night care regime. It has no perfume, it has no color, it has no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, it has no alcohol, it has no soap and no mineral oils, and it is non-animal derived. But it says that it has vitamin B5 and vitamin E. But vitamin B5 hydrates the skin, and vitamin E moisturizes the skin. Definitely a big thumbs up. So this product is for sensitive skin types as well, as it is dermatologically tested. It doesn't clog the pores, and let me tell you, like personally I've been using this since a month now. I really love this, and I think I'll be definitely going for the next one again. I have already recommended many of my friends, but yes, again, it's your skin, you would understand better. I like this product, and I really thought like of sharing with you guys. Yes, it is very clean and kind to skincare. So yeah, so let's go to the next product. So my next product is this sunscreen. I love using this sunscreen because it is very light to the skin. It is SPF 50 PA+++. This is dermatologically tested, also suitable for sensitive skin. And I am stressing on sensitive skin because I have a sensitive skin, and I make sure that whatever product I pick up, I definitely go through the line seeing that whether it is suitable for sensitive skin or not. So it has a matte finish, and it is non-comedogenic, also suitable for acne prone skin. Well, the consistency is like a cream, and it really gets absorbed fast into your skin, and actually it blends like a dream. I mean, really, it is, yeah, it has this consistency as you can see, like a dream. And you must have also noticed that it doesn't leave any white cast. I actually hate that thing, like the sunscreens that leave a white cast is a no for me. You can see it's just like a moisturizer. It doesn't dry out your skin, and it is non-sticky. So if you are looking out for a good sunscreen in a market, yes, you should definitely go for this product. I've been using this particular sunscreen for a long time now, and I really love it. And yes, so let's jump into the next product. Okay, this product I had to share with you guys. Many of you are not even, you don't even look for it, but yes, I had to share with you guys. This is the Miniso cotton pads. Yes, you heard it right. For 150 bucks, 150 rupees, and it has around 180 cotton pads. Usually used those tulip, I guess, I don't remember the name, which has around 80 cotton pads, and it costed me mostly 120. Yes, but here you're getting around 180 cotton pads, and it's quite thick. If you can see, the texture is really very soft, and yeah, it is thick, and it removes my eye makeup so easily. I use this one cotton pad to remove makeup for both my eyes. So yes, I really recommend this to you guys. Next product is this brush set. I don't have the cover. It is a set of 5 eye brushes. This is the eye brush set. Again, it is for 250 rupees, and if you're a beginner, and even if you are traveling somewhere, I think these brushes are enough to create any kind of eye looks. Look and feel is also so good. This part is plastic. It has some pink crystals in it, and I really like the look as well. And the brushes are really very good. Crystals are soft, and it has these 5 brushes. As you can see, you have a blending brush, you have an angle brush, use it for your brows, also to draw liner. So this can be used for that, and this is a precise brush that can be used to highlight your brow bone and your tear duct. And you have this angular brush that can be used to blend again, and also when you have want to pack some eyeshadow to the corner of your eyes, just to give a good angle, you can use this brush. And also you have a flat brush to apply those metallic eyeshadows. Isn't that great? I mean, imagine 240 rupees for 5 brushes is amazing. Generally, if you go for like little bit of higher brands, you have to pay 240 250 just for one brush. For a beginner, even if you use these brushes, I think that's more than sufficient. I personally, when I travel, these are travel friendly as well. I definitely recommend this to you guys. I think this is quite a great deal. Since the brush quality is also really very good, so a big thumbs up to this brush set as well. The next product is this sponge set. I know it's dirty. I just used to blend my foundation. Well, this is not an ordinary blending sponge. This is sponge from Plume, and if you can see, it is a microfiber sponge. Unlike other sponges, it doesn't absorb the product. It basically, you need very little amount just to blend it on your skin, and this actually makes your foundation or your base flawless. After using this sponge, I don't think so you're going to like any other sponges. And it's a teardrop shape, and there's a small, as you can see, there's a slant cut over here. So I personally like this shape because you can use this to blend your foundation. Also, you can use this for your concealer. So as you can see, the pointed portion goes to the inner corner of your eyes to blend your concealer as well. So yes, for the sponge, it is little bit to the expensive side, but yes, so above all, this sponge is latex free and cruelty free. So a big yes to this sponge. As you can see, it's really very soft, yeah, and it really blends the foundation well. Big thumbs up. Well, my next product is a budget friendly product, I can say. It is this Swiss Beauty Studio Light Glow brush palette. For people who are following me for a long time now, they know, like, in each and every video I use this blush palette because it has the colors you need, like the common colors that you need to use it as your blush. So this is a steal deal, guys, because you are getting 8 shades just for rupees 499. Okay, and the pigments are awesome. Like, just see, it's awesome, right? You can also use this palette as your eyeshadow. So yeah, just look at the pig. So the palette itself is pigmented, and you are getting these 8 shades in just 499 rupees. So yes, this is my absolute favorite.